3 powerful ways to stop procrastination forever. The third one is most powerful, so don't miss it. First, eat the frog. The truth is, your brain is sharpest in the morning. That's when your willpower is at its peak, your focus is razor sharp, and distractions haven't invaded your day yet. So tackle your hardest, most dreaded task first thing when you wake up. Brian Tracy calls this eating the frog, and it works like magic. Once you've conquered that monster task, everything else on your list suddenly feels like a breeze. You'll ride that momentum wave straight through your day, feeling accomplished and unstoppable. Second, break it down. Big tasks are intimidating. They paralyze us. But here's the secret. Chunk them into bite-sized actions that feel ridiculously easy. Don't tell yourself, write an essay. That's overwhelming. Instead, say, write the introduction paragraph, or outline 3 main points. See the difference? When tasks feel small and achievable, starting becomes effortless. Before you know it, you've completed what once seemed impossible, one tiny step at a time. Third, the 10-minute rule. This is brilliant. If any task takes less than 10 minutes, do it right now, immediately, no exceptions. Reply to that email, make that quick phone call, organize your desk. These tiny tasks are sneaky. They pile up in your mind, creating massive mental clutter and anxiety. By handling them instantly, you keep your mental space clear and your to-do list manageable. Start applying these 3 strategies today. Your future self will thank you later. Save this video and do subscribe for more.